to the Slaughterhouse. We got 3 rules for you to follow. 1, no fucking running. 2, no flash photography or videotaping of any kind. And 3, don't touch the fucking animals, or else they'll touch you.
Whoa, hey friends, welcome back to the channel, and I'm coming to you live from Port 27 in Lake Hamilton, Florida. It's a brand new haunt. They reached out to me. It's called Horror House Nights, and they have a house called the Slaughterhouse. And I've heard lots of good things about it. They invited me out, so I'm going to film my reactions and let you know what I thought. But yeah, you guys need to check it out this haunt season. But anyways, with that all said, if you guys are ready, let's go have some spooky fun. Yeah, Port 27 is really nice. Looks like they got a bunch of restaurants and stuff. Looks like they got a bunch of restaurants and stuff all lined up. But here you park right out front, and they have the haunt right here. We're right off of Highway 27 right here. Port 27 is where the haunt sits. Right there. The Slaughterhouse. It looks pretty intense. We're gonna go inside and check it out though. And it's going on now all the way until November 2nd. I don't know if you guys can see up there, but there's definitely a bunch of skeletons with red eyes. That's super spooky. And there's a lighthouse back there too, which is really cool. I like it. Love the entrance and the queue line and the big lighthouse. Everything looks so cool. This is really neat. Anyway, when you guys get here, you're gonna sign a waiver, and then you'll wait in line to go in. And they got a photo op over here to the left, which is spooky cool. But yeah, this is neat. If this is just the entrance, I can't wait to see what's gonna go on inside of there. But this is super neat. Oh my God! Oh my God! Look at this! Look at this guy!
What are you doing? Out of here!
Okay, okay. Oh my gosh. That pig went running. Oh, oh my God! Oh! Oh!
Welcome to your slaughter!
Oh gosh. Oh my God! Oh! Oh, what is that? Oh! Oh man! Oh God! Oh! They're banging. Oh, what was that? Oh! Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, this is neat. Toxic. It's like a... Oh! Oh, what kind of party is this? Oh! They're really mad. Oh, man.
I can't stand it!
Oh, he's mad. Oh, God, they're right above us.
Walk away from me!
Okay. Oh, man! I knew it! I knew it! Oh! Oh my God! This is bad. This is really bad. The lights. Oh, what is touching me? They got stuff dangling. Oh, heck no. The whole time they got people. Oh my gosh. What is that? hard to see. Oh no, I can see it. Oh!
Leaving so soon. Are you running?
Stop. You guys win, okay? Oh, look at that. Oh my god. It's like a horror movie. This is really good. Oh, damn it. Damn it, they're good. Okay, they're getting you with the strobe lights. They get you good. Listen, they don't bust around. Oh, I can see the pretty lighthouse. It's a good distraction. Oh god, what is that? Oh, they're behind me too.
I'm gonna kill you.
Oh, what was that? I can't see anything in there. If I came through alone. Oh man! I don't think I could have did this alone. Oh! Oh! We've been shot! Oh my god! Damn it! Those air cannons will fuck you up. Damn it. Y'all, when you come here, you gotta come here with somebody. Because, oh, what is that? Oh! Where did you come from? They're coming out of the wall. Oh my god. What kind of sick joke is this? What in the heck is that?
Me.
Oh! Oh! God! Oh, shit! Damn it! Oh, hell no. No, no! Damn it. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh! Oh! He's hungry. Listen, I'm not on the menu. Damn it. Oh! Listen, I feel like someone's following us the whole time because they're rattling that. Oh, I hear a chainsaw. Shit. Oh, I hear a chainsaw. Oh! Damn it! Oh. He was waiting till the end. I don't like that. You're good. Oh, that guy got me good. My heart's racing. Oh! Listen! You win, you win. You win, you win. This guy goes 110. Y'all come out to Slaughterhouse. This one's 10 out of 10. Very good, very good. Whew, so I'm walking to my car. Oh man, I need a breather. That haunted house was really, really good. I'd say they got me at least 10 times, and I'm so thankful that I got to walk through with a group, because if I had to do that alone, I'd be so scared. But anyways, check it out. They will be here next year. Anyways, I'll put more info in the description box. I gotta go. I need to get in my car and just take a breather. But anyways, thank you for watching. Bye, sir, forever. See you later.